Which tool is commonly used to start a fire? Matches. What is ambidexter able to do? Use both hands equally well. What is the scientific study of the body's structures? Human anatomy. What country was the first to use poison gas in World War I? Germany. What is in the picture? Guitar. What sportswear company uses the slogan, "Just do it"? Nike. What is the name of this character? SpongeBob. Which disease is characterized by sustained high blood sugar levels? Diabetes. What application icon is shown in the picture? Who is Cristiano Ronaldo? Footballer, soccer player. What is a dog's most powerful sensory organ? Nose. Which of the following animals lives underground? Speltties. Which vegetable is known for making people cry when chopped? Onion. Sahara. What is it? Desert. What is dermatitis? Skin inflammation.